All right, so there's a specific feature inside of the invoice and payments that I wanted to show you that you could do. If you need to, let's say, if you have an attachment that you want to add to your invoice, I'm going to show you where you can add that into an invoice that you're sending out. So let's get started. Let's go to payments on the menu on the left, and then it'll automatically default us to the invoices and estimates tab. So let's say we're creating one. Let's do a new invoice. All right. So on the left side here, this is where you can set up the invoice. On the right, um, this is the image of the invoice and like kind of a sample of how it will look before you send it out. All right, so we're going to go to the bottom here. And at the bottom, let me move my stuff here. At the bottom, you'll see a button here that says Add Attachment. All right, so what we want to do is upload any type of PNG, a CSV, or PDF. And you can only do up to 10 files, and you can't go over 20 megabytes. All right, so let's go ahead and upload one. I'm going to click the button that says click to upload. That's right here at the bottom of the blue. All right, so let's upload. Let's say if we want to do our terms and conditions. We can do a terms and conditions. We can do a itemized PDF. If they want to see exactly what they're being charged for, you've already created that information. Let's say if you created it in a different application in Google, or if you created it in Teamwork or anything like that, anywhere where you can itemize your information, or if you're charging hourly for something, or if there's a certain amount of inventory that they purchase, anything like that. Just giving some examples here. But let's say if you were create all that stuff and put it on the PNG, you can upload that by uploading it to your media storage. Okay, now if you don't have it uploaded into your media storage, the only thing you would need to do is just click on this upload button. It will then open up your documents or downloads file folder from your device, and then you can just click on the item that you need to upload, and then it'll show up inside your media storage. From there, this is where you would select the item that you want to upload to the invoice. So let's click on one. I'm going to do a double click so that way it'll pop up and it'll show right here down at the bottom here. All right. So this will be attached to the invoice itself when it goes out. And that'll give you an opportunity to be able to not have to do a separate email, or do a copy and paste of a URL and then try to embed it in here. You can just attach it directly to the email that will go out.